Yo, ja, ik val niet echt bij jullie in de gratie, want ik weet dus niks over die visualisatie. En als je echt wil dat ik er hou van, maak dan gewoon een leuke staafdiagram. Yeah, ja.
Welcome. Let's start this awesome event.
Lieve dames en heren, ik vond het heel leuk om voor jullie op te treden. Ik ga een Power BI rap maken.
We like to show stuff you've never seen before, so we're going to do that again today.
How can we make data modeling in Power BI simpler? How can we make it more intuitive? And how can we even make it more fun?
Power BI does all the cleanup for me on save. I was able to do source control as well, and I have this really fine-tuned developer experience all within Power BI using the new PBIP format.
We're going to talk to you about the things that we did in Power BI and essentially how we're making things easier. So we're going to talk about visual calculations, which is obviously the coolest thing ever.
Basically, this makes at least our life much easier right now. We can at least do complex stuff where we previously needed 21 steps, way easier in just one line of text.
And thank you so much to the community and for having us. We really appreciate it and hearing all of your feedback and seeing the energy here.